Are they trying to talk to you? Is that what you're asking?
I don't know.
See how when you're just quiet, they just come and chill? You're not chasing them around? When I said you don't have to chase them?
I feel like they like it here.
There's a lake right over there, or yeah, there's water over here. And they probably come up here because people feed them.
Yep.
So, yeah.
Actually, I'm gonna name you Purple Stripe, you Blink, and you Inspiration.
Inspiration.
Yeah.
That's what we're going with. Inspiration.
Yep.
Who's inspiration?
The one that looks like the female.
How does one look like a female over another?
Because
Which one looks like a female?
Yeah.
the one that's light, but not
the
white.
tan one.
Yeah.
The tan one looks like a female.
He's coming to you.
Okay. Well, I'm going this out.
Who's got internet?
There's face. All right.
I changed the password.
The ducks are leaving too. Like, all right, come on, man. This clown don't have no food for us. They're like, this clown don't have no food for us. Let's go. Told you. Stop. Don't chase him.
Oh, I just want to touch one. I want to touch one.
You can't touch one. That little duck would start fighting with you like Donald Duck. I don't think you're going to win against that little duck, man.